Literally do give me like father figure, like hot vibes. Like I just genuinely like have a crush on you. I would sign an NDA and like never like let people know about our relationship.
Listen, you're an attractive woman, but the fact that you've done porn and
It was a hiccup. Like, can't you just be a good guy and be like, okay, I get it, it was a hiccup, like, you know, like you were going through some shit, like, can put that past this and like we can have a beautiful relationship and just like move on.
it is 100% a deal breaker.
But I'm not a whore anymore.
Yeah, it's just not gonna happen.
Brian, why? Like, because I used to be a whore.
You still are.
How am I still a whore? What do I do? I want to have like intimacy. Like, I want to be like together. Like, I want to have like a real relationship with you.
Yeah, give her that pump and dump, Brian. See, women, you disqualify yourself from a good man when you do the shit you do these days.